Dame Judith Olivia Dench, professionally known as Judi Dench, was born on 9th of December in 1934. She is an English actress, 90 years, widely considered as one of Britain's great actors. She is noted for her versatility, having appeared in films and television programs accompanying several genres, as well as for numerous roles on stage. Dench has gained various accolades, including an Academy Award, Tony Award, 2 Golden Globe Awards, British Academy Television Award, 6 British Academy Film Awards, and 7 Olivier Awards. Dench made her professional debut in 1957 with Old Vic Company. Following New Year's, she performed in several of Shakespeare's plays, in such as Lord Ophelia in Hamlet, Juliet in Romeo and Juliet, and Lady Macbeth in the Macbeth. She has also an 8-time Academy Award nominee. Dench won the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress for her performance in Queen Elizabeth in Shakespeare's In Love, released in 1998. Her other Oscars nominations are for Mr. Brown in 1997, Chocolat in 2000, Iris in 2001, Mrs. Henderson Present in 2005, Notes on the Scandal, released in 2006, Philadelphia, released in 2013, and Belfast, released in 2021. Her movie and television shows, including Skyfall, The Best Exotic, Casino Royale, As Time Goes By, Nothing Like Them, Golden Eye, Victoria and Abdul, Note of a Scandal, Philadelphia, Quantum of Solace, Cats, Shakespeare's In Love, Murder on the Orient Express, Lady in Lavender, Chocolate, Die Another Day, Mr. Brown, No Time to Die, Tomorrow Never Die, Pride and Prejudice, The World Is Not Enough, Ballast, A Fire Elements, Talking to a Stranger, Red Joanna, Henry V, A Room with a View, Troop Fever, Tea with Mussolini, Pilot of the Caribbean, Mrs. Henderson Present, Cranford, Spirited, Game on the Lounge, 6 Minutes to Midnight, Bitter Spirit, The Chronicle of Riddick, All Is True, 9, Jane Eyes, and many others. Wishing happy birthday to Dame Judi Dench. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write it or comment. Thank you. Some of this information was gathered from Wikipedia. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'amavuko ya Dame Judith Olivia Dench, uzwi nka Judi Dench, akagize isabukuru y'imyaka 90. Yavutse tariki 9 z'ukwa 12 1934. Akaba ari umwongereza w'umukinnyi w'amafilime, ufatwa nk'umukinnyi w'amafilime ukomoka mu Bwongereza, ufatwa nk'abeza babayeho ku isi. Kubera gukina amafilime yatsindiye ibihembo bitandukanye, harimo Academy Award, Tony Award, Golden Globe inshuro 2, British Academic Award inshuro 4, British Academic Film Award inshuro 6, ndetse n'inshuro 7 Olivier Award. Dench yatangiye akina amateatre cyangwa ikinamico kuri stage cyangwa ku rubyiniro. Judi Dench yatangiye kumenyekana kuva mu mwaka w'1981 kugera 1983 ubwo yakinaga muri filime z'uruhererekane zacaga kuri televiziyo iyitwa A Fine Romance. Naho kuva mu mwaka w'1992 kugera muri 2005 yagaragaye muri filime y'uruhererekane yitwa As Time Goes By. Zimwe mu zindi filime yagaragayemo harimo nka Elizabeth wa mbere, Mr. Brown, Chocolate, Iris, Mr. Henderson Present, Not on Scandal, No Time to Die, Ballast n'izindi nyinshi cyane. Nakoze kubana nanjye, nagusagana like na subscribe, tumenye amakuru agezweho, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyakira muri comment. Urakoze, ugire ibihe byiza.